Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be going over how you can connect your Walmart account to your Fbmfox account. So then you can upload, reprice, bulk upload, and pull orders from your Walmart account and use Fbmfox as your ultimate all-in-one solution to post products all across the web. This is a feature that we recently released. It's available to everybody with any sort of subscription. So please go ahead and get yourself a subscription. Then you can post products all across the board. How do you get these credentials? And where did I go to input these credentials? All I did was I went over to my settings area, and then I went to Walmart settings in my Fbmfox account. Next, what you want to do is go back to your Walmart Seller Central, and you want to be logged in. Here, what you want to do is you want to copy your ID. Your store ID will be right here. You just want to copy that. We're going to blur mine out just because, it can be sensitive information. Next, I'm going to go to my settings area in my Walmart Seller Central. Then I'm going to click on API Key Management. And once I'm there, I'm going to click on API Key Management. And that will redirect me to a page which gives me some sort of techie credentials. Here you can see my store name. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to paste it in my store name area. Next, I need my client ID and my client secret. So I can grab my client ID in my API key right here. I can copy the client ID and I can paste it in my Fbmfox account. And next I can copy my client secret by making it visible and then clicking copy. And then I can paste that also in my Fbmfox account. Next, all I have to do is click on Save Walmart Settings. You also want to make sure you have the subscribe to Walmart notification on. Essentially what it does is it's a back and forth communication between our software and Walmart to have the most up-to-date information about your pricing and orders. And that's basically it. So right now in my account, I don't have any Walmart products, right? So if you look under my sales channels, they're all eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Shops. I don't see any Walmart products, right? However, I do have a bunch of Walmart products in my items area. So if I go into my items area, I have 31 products and 9 unpublished items. So technically I have about 40 products, right? How do I get all of these products in from Walmart into my Fbmfox account for better management? Well, it's quite simple. All I have to do is click on Fetch Walmart. And once I hit that, it's going to take some time, but essentially it's going to load up all my products from Walmart. And this is not mandatory for you guys to do, but this kind of just shows you that you are connected to Walmart at this point. The connection is successful once the products can actually be pulled, right? So that would be a test that the connection is working, right? So here you go. You have my JBL listing, my DeWalt circular ripsaw fence thing. If you see that in my account, you'll likely see it. It's got to be somewhere here. Oh, there it is. There's my JBL headphones. Basically, it pulled in all of my listings from Walmart into my Fbmfox account. So that's pretty sweet. Basically, anything you list with Fbmfox is guaranteed to have images, but if you've listed it on Walmart's server, their servers can be like iffy at times. We're pulling all the data we can from their listings, and as you can see, we have the accurate pricing and all of those things that are there. And then what you would have to do is set up those initial markups, supplier links. You could add additional images. You could add your header, footer, and template and all those kinds of great things. Next, if you click on any one of these Walmart.com via API sort of things, if you click on it, it takes you to your Walmart listing. Isn't that cool? So it'll take you to the listing, and this is my listing right now on Walmart.com. And it literally says like $60, right? Which is pretty sweet. It shows you all of that. If I click on, let's say this one right here, it'll take me to the listing, right? It's telling me that it's out of stock, and that is the case. All right, guys, I'm going to conclude this video here, but this is how you connect your Walmart account to Fbmfox and you pull products from Walmart into Fbmfox. In the next few videos, we'll be going over how you list a single product, how you can list multiple products, how you can do bulk uploads, templates, and all those great things for Walmart. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. You're going to have access to listing to eBay, Shopify, Facebook Shops, Walmart, and more in the near future, all under one roof, all under one subscription. It's free for 7 days and then $30 a month after that. And we've been saying this for a long time, but the people that benefit the most from using our software is not the ones that start now, it's the ones that start earlier, because we just keep adding things and making things better, making things more reliable so you can use them and things get better. Learn to use the software now so you can grow with it and use it to your advantage as we make it better and better. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.